George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Jokanya sekta mar chwalo okumba nigi geno ni sekta no biro medo timo maber kata bed ni kinde osebedo matek. Giwacho ni dongruok mar atamalo paro seneno e higni 3 mokalo. Ka giloso Mombasa, jatend kambi mar okumba mar Direct Line bade ma Mombasa Kenneth Mwangi wacho ni ma otimore kaluwore kod chenro manoketi mar tiego jopiny e wi weche mag okumba kanyakla kod medo chenro mag okumba ne jopiny. Duol matayo chenro mag okumba Insurance Regulatory Authority kata kamano golo siem ne jotije okumba mabandia ni biro kawnegi okang' mager.
Kenyans are learning, and there's a big uptick. We have noticed a big uptick in our products. We have grown. We started about 2 years ago doing the non-motor, and I can attest that for the last 2 years we have seen a lot of growth. Mombasa itself, we have been received very warmly. Most of the intermediaries are taking us seriously now as a non-motor company, and we are headed places.
If we also find that you are doing unethical practices, we will de-license you, de-register you. We will also put those people who we have deregistered and degazetted next week, either a broker or insurance agent. What we want to encourage insurance players to do is to sell products, be more professional, and make sure that whatever they promise is what they deliver. In the last 2 years, we've seen increased professionalism and proper underwriting